Hello students, welcome to Sri Jain Rank Zone. In today's lecture, basically we are going to discuss about hydrocarbon, and in hydrocarbon we are going to discuss about the aromatic hydrocarbon. So, so today basically first about we are going to discuss first about Friedel-Crafts reactions. So first we are going to discuss about Friedel-Crafts reactions. So basically, in our course, the Friedel-Crafts reaction, which we have to study, is alkylation, is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. So we have to study about Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Basically, these Friedel-Crafts reactions These Friedel-Crafts reaction, one is alkylation and one is acylation. So these reactions basically we will discuss for arenes. Arenes are basically benzene compounds, aromatic compounds. So we will discuss alkylation and acylation reaction, which is basically Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction of arenes. In presence of these reaction takes place in presence of Lewis acid, in presence of Lewis acids. So these reaction basically takes place in presence of Lewis acid. So which Lewis acid? As we know, we can use, for example, we can use AlCl3 as a Lewis acid, or we can use ZnCl2 as a Lewis acid, or we can use or we can use FeCl3 also as a Lewis acid, or we can use AlBr3 as a Lewis acid. Also we can use SbCl5 as a Lewis acid. Why these are Lewis acid? Because we know aluminium has vacant d orbital, also zinc having also vacant d orbital, and iron also having vacant d orbital. Then again, aluminium also having vacant d orbital, and antimony also has vacant d orbital. As we can see the structure of one compound like AlCl3. So what happens basically in this case? As we can see, as we can see, there are 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the octet of central atom is incomplete. So this central atom has incomplete octet. This central atom has incomplete octet. It means electron deficient. It means this is electron deficient, and all electron deficient species are Lewis acid. Therefore, these all are Lewis acids. These all are Lewis acids. Now see what happens. Basically, these all are Lewis acids. These all are Lewis acids. Now first we will discuss. So the first reaction which we will discuss is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So the first reaction we are going to discuss is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now see, first we will see simple reaction. Then after we will discuss the mechanism for this reaction. So first we are going to discuss simple reaction. Then after we will discuss the mechanism. This is basically arene. Also we can say benzene. When the reaction of benzene in presence of RX. When the reaction of benzene in presence of RX, and also the catalyst is basically anhydrous AlCl3. So this is basically Lewis acid. Always Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place in presence of Lewis acid. Now, with the help of this Lewis acid, carbocation R plus is generated. Now this carbocation will attack in place of, now this carbocation will attack in place of hydrogen, and this carbocation R will be substituted at one of the position of benzene. So this is basically alkyl benzene. Now, so this is basically the reaction. Now we will discuss about the mechanism. Now we will discuss about the mechanism for this reaction. So this is basically the direct product. This is basically the direct product. Now we will discuss about the mechanism for this reaction. See, so we are going to discuss about mechanism. We are going to discuss about mechanism of, going to discuss about mechanism of Friedel Craft alkylation reaction. Mechanism of Friedel Craft alkylation reaction. See what happens. So in the first step, the reactant is basically reacting with Rx, and the reaction of Rx in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So the in presence of anhydrous reaction in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. As we can see that there is lone pair of electron on halogen atom. There is lone pair of electron on halogen atom. Now we can see simple. This lone pair of electron will be donated in the vacant orbital of aluminium. This lone pair of electron will be donated in the vacant orbital of aluminium because AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, and Lewis acid is basically electron deficient. So Lewis acid is electron deficient, therefore it can accept electron. So all electron deficient species can accept electrons. Now what happens? So it will form like this R X. This X will having positive charge now when the electron pair is donated to aluminium. When the electron pair is donated to aluminium. Now positive charge as we know positive charge positive charge on more electronegative atom, positive charge on more electronegative atom is unstable. Positive charge on more electronegative atom is unstable, therefore this bond will break in this way. When this bond will break, it forms R positive, which is carbocation, and also AlCl4 having -1 charge. So this is basically the generation of electrophile. It means AlCl3, which is Lewis acid, helps helps in helps in generation of electrophile. So this electrophile basically generated by AlCl3. So this reagent is basically used for the generation of electrophile. Now electrophile is generated. Now in the next step, so this is basically the first step. Now see what happens in the next step. Now in the next step, this is basically the benzene. So on benzene, this R plus carbocation, will attack on one of the carbon atom, Suppose if this pi bond shift to this carbon atom, so this carbon bear negative charge, therefore R plus attack on this carbon and positive charge on this carbon atom. Now, so the intermediate form in this case is basically this carbocation having positive charge, and hydrogen is available on this carbon, also R is attacked. Rest will remain same. Now what happens? Now this hydrogen will shift its electron. Now this hydrogen will shift its electron to this end, and then this hydrogen will be removed, and then this hydrogen will be removed, and when this hydrogen is removed, this hydrogen shift its electron pair in between these two carbon atom. So then the product obtained is again pi bond comes there, and this compound having R group, and H plus is removed. Now this H plus will combine with Cl minus. So when this H plus combine with Cl minus of AlCl4 minus, then what happens? See, then one of the side product obtained is HCl. One of the side product obtained is HCl, and catalyst which is AlCl3 is regenerated, because AlCl4 minus will lose Cl minus, and this Cl minus and this Cl minus will attack on H plus. One byproduct is HCl, another byproduct is AlCl3. So this is basically the mechanism of free radical alkylation reaction. So what is the purpose of using AlCl3? So AlCl3 helps in the generation of carbocation. It means it helps in the generation of electrophile. See, this R plus features of this reaction. Features of this reaction. R plus carbocation can rearrange. It means if R plus carbocation, then there is chances of rearrangement. So we can say carbocation can carbocation can rearrange. So rearrangement is possible. Rearrangement is possible in this reaction. Now we will discuss some of the reactions. Now we will discuss about some reactions. For example, if question is like this, this is benzene. Also we can say arene. When the reaction of this benzene with CH3 CH2Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So what is the product obtained? Now see, this is very simple. As you people know by mechanism, this CH3, CH2 and Cl. So this Cl basically having lone pair of electron, and this aluminium atom having vacant orbital. This aluminium atom having vacant orbital. Now, this lone pair of electron will donated to aluminium, and this pi bond will be break. This single bond will be break, because chlorine will acquire positive charge. So the carbocation obtained is now positive charge will be present on this carbon atom. So the carbocation generated is CH3CH2 plus. Now on each position of carbon atom, there is hydrogen. So one of the hydrogen will be replaced by this electrophile, and the product obtained is benzene with CH2 CH3. So this is basically ethyl benzene. So this is how we can do the reaction. Now I am giving you the next question. You people solve this question by yourself. See, if the question is like this, this is basically the benzene, and the reaction of benzene with CH3 CH2 CH2Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So what is the product obtained in this case? Again, same as we know, this chlorine is having extra electron pairs, which is lone pair, and aluminium having vacant d orbital. So this electron pair will shift into vacant orbital, and this bond will be breaked. When this bond breaks, it forms carbocation, which is CH3CH2 plus. Now this is 1 degree carbocation. This is 1 degree carbocation. And we know in this reaction, there is chances of rearrangement. And we know in this reaction there is chances of rearrangement. So how it will rearrange? If this is one, if this is first position and this is second position, so what happens? Then there is 1 comma 2, then there is 1 comma 2 hydride shift will occur. 1 comma 2 hydride shift will occur, and this carbocation will rearrange into CH3 plus and CH3. There is 2 alpha hydrogen and there are 6 alpha hydrogens. So this is more stable. 2 degree carbocation is more stable. Now this is most stable carbocation. This carbocation will attack on one of the carbon atom benzene. So the product obtained, the major product obtained is this one, CH, CH3, CH3. This compound we called isopropyl. This compound we call isopropyl benzene. So this is basically isopropyl benzene. So this is basically the mechanism. If there is chances of rearrangement, and rearrangement is only possible when less stable carbocation is converted into more stable carbocation, then only there is possibility of rearrangement. Now see the next question. I'm giving you the next question. See, if compound is given like this, see the next question. This is again benzene. This is again benzene. And the reaction of benzene with, this is cyclopentyl and CH2Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Now see what happens. What is the product obtained in this case? This is again a very important question. See what happens. In first step, this is basically CH2 and Cl. As we know, this aluminium having vacant orbital, and there is lone pair of electron on chlorine atom. So this lone pair of electron will be donated into aluminium vacant orbital, and this will convert into CH2 positive. This will convert into this. Now there is chances of ring expansion. So 5 member ring will convert into 6 member ring. 5 member ring will convert into 6 member ring. How? See, this is basically this carbon having positive charge. Give first number to this carbon atom, second number to this carbon atom, and third number to this carbon atom. So basically in ring expansion, break the bond between second and third carbon atom. And form the bond between 1 and 3. So this is like this. Draw the skeleton like this. Bond is formed between 1 and 3, and break the bond between 2 and 3. Now positive charge will shift on second carbon atom. This is 2 and 3. Break the bond between 2 and 3 and form the bond between 1 and 3. And positive charge comes on second carbon atom. So this ring will be like this. 6-member ring. You can count number of carbon atoms. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and this is sixth. Now second carbon atom will be positively charged. So this is the most stable carbocation. This is most stable carbocation. Now there is benzene. So we can say the carbocation regenerated is after ring expansion. After ring expansion, this carbocation is generated. Now this carbocation will attack on one of the carbon atom of benzene. So it removes hydrogen, and the product obtained after attack is like this. This is benzene, this is benzene, and on one of the carbon atom this group will be attacked, this group will be attached. So this is the major product, this is basically the major product. So this is very good question, the application of Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now see the next question. Now see what happens. See another question. If it is given like this, like this is benzene, and the reaction of benzene, and the reaction of benzene in presence of, and the reaction of benzene in presence of CH3, CH2, CH2OH, in presence of acidic medium, in presence of acidic medium. Now see, this is also electron deficient, this is also electron deficient, an oxygen atom having lone pair of electron. So this is electron rich. Now electron rich will donate its electron pair to electron deficient. So now this electron pair, now this electron pair which is electron rich, this is electron rich, this is electron rich, and electron rich will donates, and electron rich will donates its electron pair to electron deficient. When electron rich donate its electron pair to electron deficient, so it will convert like this, it will convert like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, oxygen atom having positive charge, there is hydrogen, and also there is hydrogen. So positive charge on more electronegative atom is unstable, so this is unstable because positive charge on more electronegative atom is unstable. So carbocation is generated. Which carbocation is generated? This carbocation generated is CH3, CH2, and CH2 positive. Now this is 1 degree carbocation. Now this is 1 degree carbocation. So what happens? Again, this 1 degree carbocation can rearrange. So it will rearrange by 1,2 hydride shift. It will rearrange to 1,2 hydride shift, and this will convert into CH3, CH positive, and CH3. So this carbocation having 6 alpha hydrogens, and this carbocation is having only 2 alpha hydrogens. Now what happens? So this most stable carbocation, this most stable carbocation will attack, this most stable carbocation will attack on one of the carbon atom of benzene, and the product obtained, and the product obtained after attack is benzene with CH, CH3, CH3. So this is basically isopropyl benzene, this is basically isopropyl benzene. So this is basically the product obtained, this is basically the product obtained. So you can do another question by application of Lewis acid. If a compound is given like this, this is benzene, and if reaction takes place with alkene like CH3CH, double bond CH2, and H positive. Now this pi bond will shift on this carbon atom. When this pi bond will shift on this carbon atom, because CH3 is a electron releasing group, is a electron releasing group, So this pi bond will shift on this carbon atom. Now this carbon atom having positive charge and this carbon atom having negative charge. So now this electrophile will attack on this and the carbocation obtained is CH3, CH positive and CH3. Now this carbocation will attack on one of the carbon and replace hydrogen. So after attack, product obtained is after attack of electrophile, the product obtained is CH3, CH3. This is basically isopropyl benzene. So this is basically isopropyl benzene. Again, this is also Lewis acid. Why? Because electron deficient. Because it is electron deficient. So in this way, these all are the applications of Lewis acid. These all are the applications of Lewis acid. Now see what happens. And make an important note like this. So this is very important note. This is basically very important note because most of the people do wrong in this case. See, when the Lewis acid is weak, when Lewis acid is weak, so when Lewis acid is weak, like FeBr3, ZnBr2, then 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 the rearrangement then the rearrangement of carbocation does not takes place. And the rearrangement of carbocation does not takes place. So when Lewis acid is weak, like FeBr3, ZnBr2, then the rearrangement of carbocation does not takes place. Please remember this. For example, I'm giving you question on this note. See what happens. If a compound given benzene and the reaction of benzene is like this: CH3, CH2 and Br, and the reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous FeBr3. So what happens? As we know, this having lone pair of electron and Fe having vacant orbital, this electron pair will shift on this and the carbocation generated is CH2 plus. So we will say rearrangement of carbocation is not possible in this case. Rearrangement of carbocation is not possible. Why? Because this anhydrous FeBr3 is a weak acid. So the major product obtained is this carbocation will attack on one of the carbon of benzene. So the major product obtained is benzene having CH2, CH3. So in this case basically, if the Lewis acid is weak, then there is rearrangement of carbocation does not takes place. So we can easily differentiate. Now see the next question. How we can compare the reactivity of Rx? So I am going to discuss with you the reactivity of Rx. Because as we have seen, if a compound is given like this is benzene, and the reaction of benzene with Rx in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 like. So now we are going to discuss about the reactivity of this Rx. Reactivity of this Rx. So reactivity of Rx. Now, if we have to compare the reactivity, if we have to compare the reactivity, so we can easily compare this R will be this R will be generated in the form of R plus carbocation. This R will be generated in the form of R plus carbocation, and this carbocation must be in most stable form. This carbocation must be in most stable form. So this carbocation must be in the most stable form. So this is basically the concept about the reactivity of Rx. Reactivity of Rx. Now see, the next we are going to discuss. Next we are going to discuss about Friedel. Next we are going to discuss about Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. See, what is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? See what happens in this reaction. What is acyl group? This group CH3 C double bond O. This group we call acyl group. This group CH3 C double bond O we call acyl group. Now again, if it is Friedel-Crafts, if it is Friedel-Crafts means we will use Friedel-Crafts catalyst. Means we will use Friedel-Crafts catalyst, which is basically Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron deficient. Now first we will discuss the reaction, and then we will discuss about the mechanism. So we are going to discuss about acylation reaction. We are going to discuss about acylation reaction. See how we are going to discuss about acylation reaction. Suppose if a compound is given like this is basically benzene. And the reaction of benzene with CH3 C double bond O and Cl. When the reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So this is basically the vacant orbital. Now this Cl having electron pair, which is electron rich, will be donated into vacant orbital of aluminium. When this electron pair donated, so this bond will break and carbon will bear positive charge. So this is basically electrophile. So electrophile is generated. Now this electrophile will attack on one of the carbon atom of benzene. So again, the product obtained in this case is basically benzene having C double bond O CH3. So what is the name of this compound? So the name of this compound is basically acetophenone. The name of this compound is basically acetophenone. We can also use this catalyst like CH3 C double bond O C double bond O and CH3. This compound we call acetic anhydride. Now see what happens. Again there is a Lewis acid like AlCl3. and there is vacant orbital on aluminium. Now, oxygen having lone pair of electron. So this oxygen lone pair will be attacked in the vacant orbital of aluminium. Now this bond will be break. Again, same carbocation is generated. Now this carbocation can attack at one of the carbon atom of benzene and the same product is obtained. So same product is obtained by this reagent also. Either we use acid halide or we use acetic anhydride. So product obtained is same, which is acetophenone. Now see the mechanism for this reaction. Now see so this group is basically acyl group. So acyl group is introduced. Acyl group is substituted. So basically this acyl group is substituted there. So this basically the acyl group is substituted there. This is basically acyl group. This acyl group is substituted there over benzene. Now see the mechanism for this reaction. What is the mechanism for this reaction? Friedel Crafts acylation reaction mechanism. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction mechanism. See what happens. If a compound is given like this, for example, we have taken CH3C double bond O and Cl, and we are using anhydrous. We are using anhydrous AlCl3. This aluminium having vacant orbital. This aluminium is having vacant orbital. Now, this chlorine atom having lone pair of electron. This chlorine atom having lone pair of electron, and this is vacant orbital. So this lone pair of electron will attack in the vacant orbital of aluminium. When this lone pair of electron attack into the vacant orbital of aluminium, so this chlorine will bear positive charge. This chlorine will bear positive charge, so bond will break like this. When bond will break like this, so carbocation is regenerated. Carbocation is generated. So which carbocation is generated? This carbocation. We can also write this carbocation as CH3C double bond O, and this carbon having positive charge, and this oxygen atom having two lone pair of electrons. This oxygen atom having two lone pairs of electron. Now see what happens. Basically, this is electron deficient and this is electron rich. So electron rich will supply its electron in between carbon and oxygen. When it supply electron pair, so there is formation of triple bond. There is formation of triple bond between carbon and oxygen. So now this having electron pair. Now we can see easily in this case, and the positive charge on this oxygen atom. In this case, we can see octet for this carbon atom, central atom carbon, 2 electrons, and also in this bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 electrons. So basically central atom has 6 electrons, while in this case 1, 2 and 3 to just 6. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons are there. It means 8 electrons. So 8 electrons means octet is complete. So octet of each and every atom is complete. So this is more stable form. So this is basically the more stable form for acyl group, because this central atom having complete octet. So this is basically the carbocation generated. So carbocation generated. Now what happens? See, as we know, when benzene attack, so on benzene basically what happens? the carbocation will attack. The carbocation will attack like CH3C triple bond O with positive charge and lone pair. So carbocation will attack. As we know, this is most stable form. Which is most stable form of this, but attack of carbocation will takes place through this carbon atom. So see on the next page. So this is basically the benzene, and the carbocation attack will be, and the carbocation attack will be this one. So this will attack on one of the carbon atom. This will attack on one of the carbon atom. When this will attack on one of the carbon atom, so product obtained is hydrogen will be removed. So product obtained is COCH3, which is acetophenone, which is acetophenone. So this is how the reaction takes place. This is a mechanism of reaction, how the reaction takes place. Now see another question. See another question. So this is basically the benzene, and the reaction of benzene with pH C double bond O Cl in presence of anhydrous, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So this aluminium having vacant orbital, and this chlorine having electron pairs. Now see what happens. This electron pair will shift into vacant orbital of aluminium. Now what happens? This is basically pH C double bond O Cl positive and AlCl3. Now bond will break like this. So carbocation is generated. Now this carbocation will attack at one of the position of hydrogen, and the product obtained is, this is benzene, and this is C double bond O, and pH is also benzene. So this is also benzene, and the name of this compound is basically, the name of this compound is basically benzophenone. So the name of this compound is benzophenone. So this is basically the name of this compound, benzophenone. Now see the another question. See the another question. Question is, now the question is, which of the following, question is which of the following, question is which of the following do not give, please note this point, which of the following do not give, which of the following do not give Friedel, which of the following do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction, which of the following do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. See, so first option is phenol, first option is phenol. So benzene with OH we call phenol. Second option is toluene, benzene with one CH3 group, we call this compound as toluene. And the third option is basically given, third option given is isopropyl benzene. So the third compound given is isopropyl benzene. And the fourth option given, and the fourth option given is, and the fourth option given is aniline, which is NH2. See, so basically phenol can give Friedel-Crafts reaction. Yes, toluene can also give Friedel-Crafts reaction. Isopropyl can also give. So this is the correct option. Aniline. This name of this compound is aniline. Alanine do not give. Aniline do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. Aniline do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. Why? See, see the explanation of this. See the explanation of this. So this is basically the aniline, and we can see on aniline there is lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. There is lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. So this extra electron pair on nitrogen atom, so this will behave as Lewis space. This will behave as Lewis space, and Friedel-Crafts reaction. And Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place in presence of Lewis acid. Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place in presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3. So this electron pair will shift in the vacant orbital of aluminium. So now what happens? See, now this will convert into like this. This is aniline. Now nitrogen atom having positive charge because electron pair is donated, and this AlCl3 and aluminium having negative charge. So basically what happens? So meta product is also obtained. Meta, due to positive charge on nitrogen, meta product is also obtained. Meta product is also formed. Therefore, aniline do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. So aniline do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. So remember this, aniline do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is clear to all of you? Aniline do not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now see another reaction. How we protect aniline? How we protect aniline? So next we are going to discuss is protection of aniline. Next we are going to discuss is protection of aniline.